How to connect your OKX web3 wallet, not exchange, please, in order to qualify for the airdrop. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how to do that and what you need to do in case if yours is not working. I'm going to show you simple steps to follow, so make sure you watch to the end. First, go to Play Store and download OKX. Once you have downloaded it, you sign up. Now if you're trying to sign up, if you're in Nigeria and you're trying to sign up, it might not work. So all you need to do is to go to Play Store as well and download VPN. So what I did was to go to Play Store and I downloaded this particular VPN. So once you download it, click on it to open. Then you click on this arrow here, click on it, then choose France. I choose France. So once you choose France and you click on connect, now it's connected. So it's just as simple as that. So once you are done doing that, you go back to your OKX and click on sign up. You sign up with your email address, and this is for those that don't have OKX exchange, for the newbies especially that don't have OKX exchange. So you sign up with your email address and then create a new password, then verify, you do your facial verification. So once it's verified, click on this place, you will see exchange and you will see wallet. So click on wallet, you will see import and you will see create a new wallet. I imported mine because before now I have a OKX web3 wallet. So if you don't have, click on create a new wallet. It's just very simple. Once you click on create a new wallet, make sure you write the 12 secret phrase, write it down and keep it safe. Once you are done doing that, it's just very simple. Just follow the steps. I've done this before now. Now you check here, you see these things that are moving, this thing, this, just calm down and check. You will see check your memefi airdrop. So click on it, click on check. Once you click on check, as you can see here, I've done mine before now. So my own is connected. This thing showing here shows that it's connected. Now all you need to do is you will see connect to Telegram. Click on that connect to Telegram. Once you click on it, you put your Telegram phone number, the phone number you use in registering your Telegram account. Put the same phone number here. Once you are done putting the phone number, you click on continue. Make sure you choose the country as well. Then you click on you choose the country, then put the phone number, then you click on continue. Once you are done, Telegram will send you a message there. They might send it to you as an SMS, or they will send it to your Telegram. Now to see the code or to see the message they sent to you, all you need to do is to go back to your Telegram. Once you open your Telegram, click on the search bar and search Telegram. This first one, you open it and you will see the message they sent to you. Now yesterday, this is how your own will look like. You received the request to log in on www.okx.com with your Telegram account. So this is it. I accepted. So you click on accept, and that is all. Once you accept it, go back to your OKX web3 and check if it's like this. Once you accept it, it will show you everything that is on that your memefi app. You will see it, everything you have done. You will see your coin balance, and you will see here if yours is showing like this. We see your Telegram name as well, and you will see if you are a premium member, the turn transaction. If you have done it, you will see it here. So it's just as simple as that. And another thing is that when you open here this airdrop, go back to your memefi, click on this airdrop. Now for those of you that don't have money to do all these things, the reason why this thing they are saying you should do this is if you want a bigger allocation. All of us remembered what Cats did. Those that paid for the OG, they gave them I think ×6 of their main coin balance. So if you want much airdrop allocation, I suggest you do this if you have the money. But if you don't have the money to do this, you will also receive the airdrop. Yes, whether you do this or not, you will receive the airdrop in as much as you have earned at least 50 million coins. Okay, so the reason for this is if you want to receive a bigger airdrop allocation. And again, your coin balance matters a lot. Your coin balance matters, so make sure you accumulate. Any question, drop it on the comment section. Please do not forget to like, share, and follow this page on Facebook. My name is Ifomi Kejku. Why on YouTube? My name is Ifomu Gesi. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and follow for more. Bye.